Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Telegram chat history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Telegram on your computer and select the chat, group, or channel you want to export. Once the conversation is open, go to top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This will open the export settings window. Here, choose what you want to include, such as messages, photos, videos, or files. If you only need the text, leaving out media can make the export smaller and faster. Next, select a date range if you want to export only a specific period, or leave it set to export the entire conversation. Now choose your export format. HTML is best for easy viewing in a browser, while JSON is useful if you want structured data for analysis. After that, select a save location on your computer and click Export. Telegram will start preparing the file. For larger chats, the process may take a little time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can export Telegram chat history. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.